Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete a payment method from your Amazon account. This is useful if you want to remove an old card, clean up your payment options, or simply manage your account more securely. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Amazon homepage where you can access all your account settings. Now, hover your mouse over Account and Lists in the top right menu bar, then select Account. This will take you to your main account page where you can manage various settings and preferences. Next, click on your payments. This section contains all your saved payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and other payment options you've added over time. Although I don't have any payment methods right now, I will show you the next step. This is where you would see a list of all your saved payment options if you had any. Click on the payment you want to remove, then click the Edit button. This opens up the editing interface for that specific payment method. In the Edit Payment Methods section, click Remove from Wallet. This is the option that will completely delete the payment method from your Amazon account. A confirmation will pop up. Click Remove to finalize the deletion. This ensures that the payment method is permanently removed and won't be available for future purchases. And that's it. You've successfully removed a payment method from your Amazon account, making your payment options cleaner and more organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.